today's video, I am going to be following the steps of So Char. I love her YouTube channel. Her hair, especially her baby hairs, is always laid. If you're wondering why I have on one earring, Ariana pulled off this one and I just didn't even put it back on. So anyways, in her latest video that I saw, she recently did like a side part with the baby hairs and I just absolutely loved it. So I wanted to follow some of her steps and see how my wig turned out by doing things a little differently. Okay, so this is the wig that I'm using today. This is RPG Hair. This is their straight wig. I believe this is a 16 or 18 inch, but make sure you check out the description bar below because that will have all of the detailed information that you need to know. So this texture was a loose wave, so I did straighten a majority of this hair off camera, but I will insert some clips of me straightening the hair. I did go in and pluck the hairline, but I did not have to bleach the knots at all. By the way, this is a full lace wig. As you can see, I am going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I do have the bands attached already. So if you get a wig like this, what you can simply do is cut the lace off behind the hairline right here where that line starts, and it's on both sides. And So Char, she did do, she does the ball stocking cap method because my hairline is so thin and fragile, so I don't like to really glue any of my wigs down. I don't like to do the whole ball stocking cap method, so I'm going to do my regular wig prepping install. If you don't have your brows on, you don't have to do all that, but I don't want the lace to mess up my brows as I am pulling it down. So many of you already know, like I just said, I'm not going to use any glue for my wig install, but what I am going to do to secure my wig down is I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue hairspray. I do like to rotate between the Got To Be Glue and the Beyond the Zone stiff hairspray. Both of these work pretty good, but this one is a little bit more stronger. So to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to be going in with the Got To Be Glue in the Got To Be Glue gel in the black packaging. It just helps lay a lot better than using my hair mousse. I always try to get my baby hairs to look like that, but it never does. And I know she actually cuts her lace before she does her baby hairs, but I just can't do it. Like, it gets so messy, makeup is ruined, so I just prefer to do my baby hairs with the lace attached and then cutting around the baby hairs. baby hairs didn't come out exactly how I wanted them. I'll have to practice a little bit more, but a little oily right there, but that's okay.